Kaizer Chiefs defender Tatayone Ditlokwe has dismissed any talks of instability that may be caused by having an interim coach until the end of the season. Amakosi are currently hard at work preparing for the second round of the 2023-2024 DStv Premiership campaign, which resumes on 13 February. Currently under interim head coach Cavin Johnson until June, the club will look to salvage what's left of the season, with the Nedbank Cup and qualification for CAF competitions still up for grabs. As the Naturena-based club continues to sharpen its tools for an all-out war next month, Ditlokwe, one of the club's key players, has spoken about how the players deal with the unorthodox setup. The 25-year-old revealed that he and his teammates try by all means to avoid thinking about who holds the head coach position at the moment, but rather place a huge emphasis on their own performance. He said, if you're a player, then your job is to play football. You don't get engaged much in decisions that you don't have a power over. I think the issue of the coach is the decision of the management of the team. As players, we have been hired to play football, so we need to keep focusing on doing what we are doing every day, and everything else will take care of itself. The Botswana international defender has taken it to life at Amakosi with ease, having started all the games has been available for selection. Ditlokwe has made 16 appearances in all competitions this season, but missed last month of the first round due to injury. Since arriving at Kaizer Chiefs from SuperSport United at the beginning of the season, Ditlokwe has enjoyed faith of both Molefi Ntseki, who was replaced by Johnson, while rotating Gavin Msimango Njabulo Ngcobo and Milson Duff as his other centre-back partners. Johnson took over the reins from Molefi Ntseki in October after a disappointing start for Amakosi, where they failed to win the MTN 8 and the Carling Knockout Cup titles. Under Johnson, the club have hit somewhat of a positive and finished the year by collecting 10 points from a possible 12. Chiefs were able to get a positive result in the past 4 games, even though their performances still left a lot to be desired. Johnson has become the 9th coach to hold the head coach slot in the past 9 years at Chiefs, as they look to avoid an embarrassing 10-year run without a trophy. The club have continuously been linked with various big names, coaches from around the continent, since the departure of Ntseki, with Pitso Mosimane's name mentioned loudest. The former Mamelodi Sundowns manager has, however, chosen to take his services to Saudi Arabian side ABBA for at least the next 4 months. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.